this is Veronica, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is Happy Mail. I received Happy Mail from, I always call her Crafty Angel Lisa. I received mail from Lisa, made new to create. Look how cute. She put daughter of the king with a smiley face. You are the daughter of the king, Lisa. Let's see. I went ahead and cut it. I haven't even looked at it either. I didn't want to do that. So let's see what she sent. I'm really scared for this one. I just opened 2 packages, you guys, and they made me so happy. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Corn and Rose. You guys made me happy for Lisa's package. So here we go. I'm scared, you guys, because I know I'm going to take a beating with this one because she knows. She knows. Oh, goodness. What's in here? What is in here? Okay, it says be still. Lisa, how do you know? How do you know, Lisa? Be still. What's in here? I'm scared, you guys. I am really scared to open this. Oh, look at this. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Look how these sparkle. I haven't seen any of these. These ones sparkle way more than the others. I love these. Thank you, Lisa. Grace, you guys. Grace. Ay, Lisa. What am I gonna do with you? What is in here? Oh my god! I just got Cornflowers winnings, and this is gonna go good with that journal that she just made for me. Well, I won it. She didn't make it for me, but for the person who won. But yeah, this is gonna go really good with that. Thank you so much. What's in here? Look how pretty this ribbon is. Look at it. It's so dainty. Look how cute. I love it. Okay, let's see what's in here. My goodness. Is this my winnings? This is my winnings. I did win from her. I won a winnings from her. Oh, I should have did another video on that. Oh my god, the Amy Tangerine. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. Thank you. And look at these bows. Oh my goodness, the gold. I love these tiny bows. I need to get a punch, a little punch. Evie had that. Evelyn. I forgot her name. Evelyn, I'm gonna link you down below because I forgot your channel name, but I always call her Evie. She's Evie to me. So we have the Amy Tangerine. Look at these sheets. I can't wait to play with these. Look how pretty. Ooh, that one's pretty. Oh, look at these bunny rabbits. Oh my god, I love those bunny rabbits. Look it. I haven't seen this one. I haven't got to play with the Amy Tangerine. It's like very woodsy. Outdoors, plants. This is pretty. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. I'm so glad that you hosted that hidden giveaway and I won this hidden giveaway. Thank you so much. Okay.
Oh god. Child of God. Child of God. Really? Lisa? Really? You just want to bring some tears to my eyes, don't you?
Heidi Swapp. Look at these. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Look at these. How pretty. Oh, look at it. You could spritz these if you wanted to. These are pretty. Thank you. Thank you. I love those. Okay. Oh God, what's in here? When your heart is full of Christ, you want to sing. Oh, look at, she used this paper studio rosette. This is pretty. Look at that. Okay, let's see here. I love this paper too. Oop, it got stapled. What is in here, girl? What is in here? I love that. Woohoo! Look at these blings. Look how pretty these are. These are beautiful. Look at that. They're Jules sticky back Jules. Look how pretty. Lisa, these are beautiful. I love these. Look. They just go beautiful together. Thank you so much. Oh, look at friends. Friends. My goodness. This is beautiful. I love this. Thank you so much, Lisa. Seek him. Oh my gosh. Okay, we gotta put these together. Look at it says, be still, grace, child of God, seek him. My goodness. And what a time to give me that message. What is this? Oh my God. What did you make? Oh, look at how pretty these are. Lisa, you made this? Got stuck. You made this, Lisa? My goodness, look how beautiful these are. Look at that heart. Look how beautiful. These are beautiful, Lisa. Look how they sparkle. That's the way we sparkle, you guys. We sparkle like this to our Lord. Thank you, Lisa. And this one right here, seek him. Thank you, Lisa. I knew I was gonna take a beating. I knew it. I just knew it. She's just in tune. A spiritual beating, that is. She's in tune. She got me in tears here. What's in here? What is this, girl? What is this? Oh my goodness. Do I want to open this? Oh my God, what is this? It's a shaker and it says loving you. Lisa, you crazy, Lisa. You are crazy, you know that? You are crazy. Get out of town. Get out of town, girl. Look at this. It says paradise up here. Look at how beautiful she decorated this. I don't even want to open this, and it's a shaker.
Loving you. Really, Lisa? Really? You're loving me? Because I definitely feel love. Lisa, what am I going to do with you? My goodness. You got me all emotional in my emotions here. You're messing with my emotions. That's what you're doing. Oh my God, that's funny. In the movie Friday, and he says, the big worm says, you're messing with my emotions. It's a principality.
Oh my God, loving you. Okay, so this is my card, and look how beautiful she did that. Look at these. She has a pin right here. She got pearls sticking out of this leaf, and it says loving you. And she has all this trim around it, along with these leaves. These are like Maggie Home leaves with this flower. This is beautiful, Lisa, beautiful. And what she says, in the inside right here, it says, I have loved you with an everlasting love. Jeremiah 31:3. Lisa, you're gonna get it. You are definitely gonna get it. Look at this, you guys. She's stitched all around. Look how pretty that gold is.
I'm coming after you, Lisa. You better start running because I'm going to fly to Washington and come and get you. And I'm going to drag you to California. Okay. What? This is not my surprise. What is this, Lisa? This is happy you won. I thank God for you, sis. I'm just starting on your surprise. She's just starting on my surprise, so be patient with me. What was this then? What was this, Lisa? Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I'm a small crafter, she said. Lisa, you're all jokes right now, seriously. I included some extras with your winnings. I love you, sweetheart.
Those who trust in God can do all things. You got that right. Lisa, you're amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this fell. This must have gone right here. I'm gonna fix that for you. It's my hot glue. Look, my hot glue gun is on and I'm gonna fix that right now. See, because I love this card. And it's gonna be displayed in my craft closet with all my other stuff. Thank you so much, Lisa. You
really did tear me up, and I'm coming after you soon, so watch your back, okay? Because, yeah, V's coming for you, girl. So, yeah, be scared. Be very scared. Actually, Chickmonkey is coming for you, so be really scared. Be very scared.
Thank you so much, Lisa. I appreciate you. If I could give you a big hug, I would. So much love from V to you. Thank you so much. You tore me up in pieces, but you also made me happy. And I thank you for that. And I love you, girl. You are amazing, sister in Christ. And I hope you guys enjoyed that, you guys. So remember, you guys, you know what I'm going to say, right?
Remember to be happy.